Hey everyone, my name is Dan. I've been a business and trademark attorney.
I can jump in real quick just to explain the scenario that I went through to get my digestive enzymes going with Ninja Flow. So I really didn't talk about it much on social media for a reason, because you don't want to put your mark out there and someone try to beat you to it. Secondly, as you are building your company, you want to be able to document the process. So if you are doing any type of meeting or seminars or events, make sure you document that, whether it's a brochure, whether it's videos that you did or any type of training materials. Make sure you keep all of that, because when someone like a Dan comes in and say, well, your trademark says on there that you're going to be doing teaching and books and seminars and literature and podcasts and blogs, where are they? And you're like, well, I didn't save them, or my dog ate it, or whatever it is. It's gonna make Dan or any of the trademark attorneys very difficult, because they can't create something for you when you don't even have it. Because the trademark attorney is going to ask, show me proof that you did these trainings. Because that's what Dan asked me and said, well, if you do these training, you want that as one of your subcategories. What is your training material that you did 5 months ago? And I had to go back, and thank God I have it on my iPhone. And so use your iPhone when you are, screenshot it, save it, put it in your files, and create a folder that says seminars or something. And that way, when you, or put it in your Google Drive. So when Dan asks you, you can go back there and retrace it, because it was easier for me to do that. If I had none of that stuff, I wouldn't have gotten my trademark. And Dan goes, I'm sorry, but they rejected that category. The only thing you can have is supplement. And that's going to actually cut me off of the ability to do events or blogs, because I don't have that subcategory. And somebody else can come in and take the name, and they're going to go ahead and work that subcategory, and I can't do anything about it. So I just want to give you an example of the things I had to deal with. So as you are building your trademark, save the documentation, save those videos, save the literature, because you're going to need it, whether you're going to use an attorney or do it on your own, or use Dan. So that's my big tip for everyone. Right, Dan? Was that right?
Oh, absolutely. So one of the key factors of us getting that trademark in 6 months was the we call it the specimen. Is the proof that we have to submit to the United States Patent and Trademark Office that we're using the name, and we just can't submit anything, right? If you do blogs, we can't submit a water bottle as the proof. So the trademark office is very specific in terms of what they need. And I've seen a lot of applications get rejected or get issued an office action because the proof that they submitted was insufficient or the incorrect type of proof. And for a lot of people that do it on their own, this is kind of where they get hung up, and they don't complete the application. Now exposes their brand to get registered by a competitor. So it's very important that the trademark, you go, Leanna sharing her certificate that we got for her a couple of months ago, but it's very important that the proof be properly prepared and properly submitted so that there's no question as to how you're using the name in business.
Thanks for tuning in to Legal Tips for Smart Entrepreneurs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Stay informed and stay empowered.